2020. Welcome to MSA 2's 8th grade graduation. As you know, my name is Jose Flores, and I'm one half of this year's valedictorians. I came to MSA 2 in the middle of the first semester of 6th grade. I was really nervous coming in as a new kid, but I soon realized that this school would be great. I was greeted by great people and felt at home. Over the past few years, we've had a few odd teachers. In 6th grade, we had Mr. Maxwell, who taught us how stinky frozen chickens can get. And Miss Payne, who sometimes spoke in a very weird British accent. In 7th grade, we had Mr. Andrade, who had a love for giving us a bunch of what I think are the absolute worst pieces of homework, lesson previews. We also had Ms. Gavilov, who made our class sing a song for an entire period to make sure we knew the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4c all over 2x. In 8th grade, we had a variety of amazing teachers. Mrs. Schlotman taught some of us how to use sine, cosine, and tangent. Mrs. Fitch made us really question how if we don't do our homework, we won't get into college. Mrs. Bujic was able to make science class something that everyone looked forward to every single day. Mr. Gardner was able to tell everyone his quote-unquote true stories. Mrs. Vicuña showed us how to properly make an essay in a history class, and she surprised us the best by revealing her pregnancy. Finally, Mr. Capretta probably had one of the best classes here at MSA by teaching us how to move our bodies and elevate our heart rates. The 8th grade class did some amazing things together that we'll cherish forever. We worked really hard to make money for things like our sweaters, spring fling, and our grad night. Whether it was selling candy bars after school or coming to school on a weekend to have a car wash. We did it, and in the end, it was worth it. We also had lots of fun outside of the classroom, at games supporting the Mustangs, or just hanging out after school, avoiding Mr. Plonker from seeing us and sending us to the front. Finally, we all know how every teacher did their best to try and teach us. They have left a mark on all of us. Speaking for everyone here today, we thank you. The 8th grade class has gone through some ups and downs this year. With drama or without, I know that we stuck together when it really mattered. Today, we start a new chapter in our lives, and there will be good and bad times. But we're prepared for anything that life throws at us. Let us celebrate by congratulating our graduating class of 2014.